God, I hate coming to the vet. They charge me $90 a day to keep Brian here. For $60, I could put him up at the Holiday Inn.
My apologies. My pet cricket has restless leg syndrome.
I hope Brian's stomach pains aren't anything serious.
Yeah, look at that, Lois. That's why cats freak me out. He's doing that weird, stretchy leg thing where they lick themselves.
Oh, thank God the vets are here to help Brian.
I want to be a veterinarian when I grow up.
Meg, we've been over this. You're going to gain 150 pounds and write Ugly Betty fan fiction. Meg, that's final. Meg, that's final. Meg, that's final. See, this bird knows what I'm talking about.
Peter, that's someone's pet. You can't just take it.
Well, maybe they never know it's gone.